Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for medical admission. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core principles. Focus on atomic structure, chemical bonding, and states of matter. Mastering stoichiometry, including mole calculations and reaction yields, is crucial. Also, review organic chemistry fundamentals, paying close attention to functional groups and reaction mechanisms. This initial step sets you up for success in more complex topics. Consistent practice is key to excelling in chemistry. Dedicate at least 2 hours daily to solving problems from various sources. Work through past exam papers to familiarize yourself with question styles and time constraints. After completing practice sets, thoroughly review your answers. Understand why you made mistakes and revisit the relevant concepts. This iterative process strengthens your understanding and improves problem-solving speed. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into more advanced topics. Focus on thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, and equilibrium principles. A deep understanding of acid-base chemistry, including pH calculations and buffer systems, is essential. Crucially, learn to apply these chemical concepts to biological systems and medical scenarios. This contextual understanding will be invaluable for medical school. As your exam approaches, focus on comprehensive review and test-taking strategies. Create summary notes and flashcards for quick recall of important formulas and reactions. Regularly revisit all topics to solidify your knowledge and pinpoint any remaining weak areas. Practice taking timed, full-length exams to build stamina and refine your time management skills. Aim for at least 3 full practice tests before the actual exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.